Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to redeem Anime Vanguard codes. First, launch the Anime Vanguard game on your device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, as this is crucial for the redemption process to work smoothly. Before proceeding, have your Anime Vanguard code ready. These codes are typically a combination of letters and numbers, often around 10 to 12 characters long. This initial step sets you up for a quick and easy redemption. Next, navigate through the game's main interface to find the code redemption area. You'll typically see a codes button on the right side of your screen. Sometimes, it might be nested under a profile button before you find the codes option. Once you spot it, simply tap on this button. This action will open a new window or a text box where you can enter your unique Anime Vanguard code. Now it's time to enter your code. Carefully type or paste your Anime Vanguard code into the provided input box. It's super important to double-check for any typos or incorrect characters, as even one wrong letter or number will prevent the code from working. After verifying your entry, simply tap the Redeem Code button. You should receive an immediate confirmation message if the code is valid and successfully applied. Congratulations! Upon successful redemption, your in-game rewards will be automatically added. These could include valuable items, exclusive characters, or a generous amount of in-game currency, often hundreds or even thousands of gems. Always check your in-game mailbox or inventory to find your newly acquired treasures. If a code doesn't work, double-check for accuracy and ensure it hasn't expired, as codes typically have a limited redemption period, sometimes just a few weeks or even days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.